They called him the Trash Boy. Today, they call him Boss Musa, with just $200 and a plan no one believed in. He built a $1 million movement out of what others threw away. In our cities, garbage is a fact of life. We walk past it, smell it, curse it, then wait for someone else to clean it up. But garbage is more than a problem. It's a metaphor. We throw things away because we think they've lost value. But that's the biggest lie poverty ever told us, that if something is dirty, broken, or used, it's useless. Musa saw what others ignored. Where people saw waste, he saw data, opportunity, and patterns. He wasn't just collecting trash, he was collecting information. Here's how Musa turned a forgotten corner of society into his golden lane. He joined a local savings group and withdrew $200. Most would have used it to leave. He used it to stay and build. He bought gloves, a weighing scale, 3 sacks, and access to a local scrapyard contact that wasn't an investment in tools. It was an investment in consistency. Specialize, don't generalize. As most waste collectors grab whatever they find, Musa focused: plastics and metals. He learned the prices, memorized the categories, knew which colors sold faster, which brands paid better. Within 3 months, he wasn't scavenging, he was supplying. Musa hired 2 school dropouts, trained them to sort, clean, and bag with precision. They called it cash from clean. He paid them per sorted kilo. Suddenly, Musa wasn't the guy picking trash. He was the guy giving jobs. Every dollar he earned went back in. Built a press to compact bottles. Bought a weighing scale for buyers. Printed flyers for a trash pickup subscription around his estate. Now, he wasn't chasing trash. Trash was coming to him. He partnered with a local NGO to train youth on eco-enterprise. That gave birth to EcoWorth Solutions. By year 3, he has 20 youth trained, 4 neighborhoods serviced, and over 200 tons of waste processed. That one investor said, "I didn't invest in a recycling business. I invested in a recycling mindset." Let's talk. Have you ever looked down at something only to realize later it could have changed your life? What are you walking past every day? Old tires, leftover food, broken tech? Could those be the building blocks of your story? You don't need to invent a new app. You need to see what others ignore and act on it. You just watched a 20-year-old turn trash into treasure. Now pause, close your eyes, picture your first $200. Now open them and imagine what it could become. This is your signal. Start something. Right now, drop a comment with your idea, and let's make trash history.